In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack, features and hacks you should know. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate Slack's essentials and work faster without the clutter. Start on the home view. This is your command center. On the left, you'll see your channels and direct messages. In the middle, your active conversation. And along the top, a universal search bar. If your workspace has custom sections or shortcuts, they'll appear in the sidebar, but the overall layout stays the same across Slack. Channels are where teams organize work by project, topic, or department. Keep channels focused with clear names and a short description so newcomers instantly understand what belongs there. Public channels help information stay transparent, while private channels are best for sensitive topics. Use the channel topic to set expectations or link to key docs. If a channel is mission-critical for you, star it to keep it at the top of your sidebar and reduce notification noise elsewhere. Threads keep conversations tidy. Instead of replying in the main channel, open a message and choose Reply in Thread. This keeps context together and prevents flooding everyone's feed. If the thread matters to you, follow it so you'll get updates without pinging people who don't need them. When your reply needs broader visibility, check the option to also send it to the channel, but do this sparingly to avoid clutter. Direct messages are perfect for private one-on-ones or small groups. Use them for quick decisions or sensitive topics. If a DM grows into a long-running discussion or more people need context, consider moving the work to a channel so it's searchable and not locked in a private chat. Huddles are great for quick, audio-first conversations. Click the headphone icon in the sidebar to start one from any channel or DM. They're lightweight and informal, ideal for solving something in minutes. You can turn on video or share your screen when needed, and drop links or notes in the conversation so you have a record after the huddle ends. Mentions and reactions keep things moving without extra messages. Type the @ symbol followed by a name to notify someone directly. Use mentions thoughtfully. Reserve broader tags like here, or channel for truly urgent updates. Reactions are powerful. A checkmark can signal I'm on it, a thumbs up can approve, and a set of numbered emojis can double as a quick poll. Finally, use the top search bar to find messages, files, and conversations fast. Narrow results with filters like in a specific channel, from a person, or by date. Quotation marks help find exact phrases, and modifiers like in, from, and has surface what you need quickly. That's it. With home, channels, threads, DMs, huddles, mentions, reactions, and search, you're set to use Slack with clarity and speed.